to my channel. As you can see, we've started the project, which is to design a tool stand. Here we've got the first plate of our tool stand, and here we got the second plate. So the first and the second plate have been created so far. If you missed the previous videos, I recommend that you go and watch them so that we could be on the safe wavelength. So now in this video, we're going to create the support, because we will need 4 support in between of the first and the second plate. So let's get started. Go on home here, click on this home button, go on new, open this window for me, then click on path. Start 2D as usual, XY plane. First thing first, let's check our unit. Go on tools, document settings, unit, and open this length. On beneath of length, there is this window. Open it for me and pick millimeters and apply. Let's go back on sketch and start to design the support. And remember, we have 4 support, but we need to design only one. I will tell you why later on. And our support is circular, so we're going to be right here on circle, center point. So I will consider a diameter of 10 mil. Yeah, let's finish it and extrude. I want it 65 millimeter tall. Perfect. I'm happy. So let's just go ahead and click OK. And remember, this first plate, this hole here with this 10 millimeters diameter, we have to accommodate this support, which is also 10 millimeters diameter. But we might have a problem here, because if we just let it be, the whole thing will just squeeze past this hole without being able to stop. That's why here I'm going to design anything that will stop it whenever I want it to stop. So that's why I will come right here and click create a new sketch. But now I will consider a rectangular shape, which is 2-point center. Let make it 15/15. Perfect. Let's finish and extrude it. I will extrude it by 0.5 mil. Perfect. Yeah. Okay. Then I will put a new circle right on top here. You're going to understand why later on. The circle should have the same diameter as the previous circle, highlighted there. finish it, and I'm going to make sure I extrude it as well by, I would say, 1 mil or 1.5 mil. Let's say 2. Okay, that should be fine. Perfect. So as you can see here, the stand will be able to squeeze past this hole and will stop immediately when it hit the rectangular shape. I'm going to do the same thing on top here. Remember, it was a square shape, not the rectangular shape. It's a square shape, 15 over 15. And let's extrude it by 0.5. Perfect. And let's go ahead and create new circle on top as we did for the previous one. 10 mil diameter. Perfect. Click on OK and extrude it by 2. Perfect. Yes, as you can see, the base plate will be accommodated here, could be welded to this plate, and the top plate here will be accommodated here and could be welded right here. Okay. So I will stop this video right here. We just created the first support that will go in between of the first plate and the second plate. I will make sure that I carry on in the next video where we will design the top bit of our project. Thank you very much. Hope you learned a few things. Let's like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.